Good morning to one and all. First of all, I would like to thank for given opportunity in front of you. Now we are going to discuss about hydrogen atom spectrum by K. Dhanabalan. This is also emitted spectrum colors in our display. Introductions. And the emission spectrum of atomic hydrogen has been divided into a number of spectral series with wavelengths given by the Rydberg formula. These observed spectral lines are due to the electron making transitions between two energy levels in an atom. The classification of the series by the Rydberg formula was important in the development of quantum mechanics. These spectral series are important in astronomical spectroscopy for detecting the presence of hydrogen and calculating redshift. This is also shows experimental method of spectrum observed. White light emitted and fall that prism. We observed this the spectrometer. This is experimental method. A white light emitted and it will be fall on that prism. We observed the spectrum through spectrometer. So observed continuous spectrum. Similarly, we repeated using hydrogen gas light. The light fall on the prism. It will be observed through the spectrometer. Two types of emissions, two types of observations. One is a emission, and one is a observations. Generally, atomic spectrum is one of the fingerprint of that atom. Here presented three type of spectrums. One is hydrogen, second one is carbon, third one is oxygen. Both are behave two types of behaviors, absorptions and emissions. Similarly, carbon and oxygens. Here, each element gives off its own characteristic colors. Can be used to identify the atom. Similarly, atomic spectra fingerprint of the atom given another lights source. First one hydrogen, second one neon, third one iron. These are called lion emission spectra. The light is emitted given off. Here both are different wavelength, different colors observed in different place. Now descriptions. When hydrogen atom is excited, it returns to its normal unexcited or ground state by emitting the energy it had observed earlier. This energy is given out by the raised electron in the form of radiations of different wavelengths of it jumps down from a higher to a lower orbit. These different wavelengths constitute spectral series which are characteristics of the atom emitting them. When observed through a spectroscopy, these radiations are imaged as a sharp and straight vertical line of a single color. The frequency of the emitted radiations can be found from the following relations: HCF equal to En2 minus En1. Now, En2 equal to minus mz square e power 4 1 divided by 8 epsilon naught square h square n2 square. This will equal to minus m is e square by 8 epsilon naught square h square 1 by n2 square. Here z equal to 1. Similarly, for another energy level En1 equal to minus m e power 4 by 8 epsilon naught square h square 1 by n1 square. These both are equated from the equation HCF. That means HCF equal to minus m e power 4 by 8 epsilon naught square h square 1 by n2 square minus this minus came from that equation, the another one minus this minus equation from this En2 energy level, that means minus m e power 4 by 8 epsilon naught square h square minus 1 by n1 square. After substituting and commonly taken from both element fourth energy level, HF equal to m e power 4 by 8 epsilon square h square into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Next one, similarly f already available, h cancelled, that means f equal to m e power 4 by 8 epsilon square h cube into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here h cancelled. Here also h for 4, h by h cancel, remaining balance h cube. Now c equal to f lambda. We know c is that light velocity. That value is 3.3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Hence f equal to c by lambda. Another one here also available, f equal to, substitute this value here, c by lambda equal to m e power 4 by 8 epsilon naught square h cube 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. 1 by lambda equal to m e power 4 8 epsilon naught square h cube c into 1 by n1 square by 1 by n2 square. We know already here c, so commonly here come here. Let r equal to m e power 4 by 8 epsilon naught square h cube c. Case remaining is called that here 1. This value is equal to 10.97 into 10 per 6 per meter. Here r is called that Rydberg constant. Then 1 by lambda equal to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Similarly 1 by lambda equal to nu. So nu equal to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square for hydrogen atom spectrum. Here this is the general expression for the wave number of radiations emitted by an electron as it jumps from higher orbit n2 to lower orbit n1. The different wavelength which form by giving subsuitable values to n1 and n2. The different series observed in hydrogen spectrum are as under: 1 Lyman series, 2nd Balmer series, 3rd Passon series, 4th Packet series, 5th one Pfund series. First one, what is Lyman series? When an electron jumps from 2nd, 3rd, 4th etc. orbits to the first orbit, the spectral lines are in the UV region. Here n1 equal to 1 and n2 equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. Nu equal to r into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here n equal to 2, 3, 4 etc. This is the identified as Lyman series. The figure also shows number of energy transitions from outermost orbit to that first orbit n1 is called the Lyman series. Then second one we are going to discuss Balmer series. When an electron jumps from outermost orbit to the second orbit, n1 equal to 2, n2 equal to 3, 4, 5, etc. Here n2 n1 equal to 2, n2 equal to 3, 4, 5. Nu equal to r into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n2 square. N equal to 3, 4, 5, etc. This series is called Balmer series and the lines in the visible regions of the spectrum. The first line of the series n equal to 3 is called the Hertz alpha line. The second n equal to 4, the Hertz beta line, and so on. Here also the figure presented number of energy transitions from outermost orbit to n2, but cannot n1. The next one, Paschen series. The Paschen series in the infrared regions are given by n1 equal to 3 and n2 equal to 4, 5, 6, etc. N equal to r into 1 by 3 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here n equal to 4, 5, 6, etc. When the transition of the electron is formed from outermost orbit to the third orbit, this series is Paschen series and lies in the near infrared region. The figure shows different energy states from outermost jump to third orbit, that means n equal to 3. The next one, bracket series. The bracket series, if n1 equal to 4 and n2 equal to 5, 6, 7, etc., we get that bracket series. The transitions from outermost orbit to fourth and fifth orbit are responsible, called as bracket series. Here n equal to r into 1 by 4 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here n equal to 5, 6, 7, etc. The figure also shows energy transitions from various orbit to n equal to 4. That means fourth orbit. Fifth one, that means P1 series. If n equal to 5 and n2 equal to 6, 7, 8. Here n1 equal to 5 and n2 equal to 6, 7, 8, etc. We get P1 series. Here n equal to r into 1 by 5 square minus 1 by n2 square. N equal to 6, 7, 7, 8, etc. The spectral lines for these two series, bracket and fun, lie in the very far higher region of the hydrogen spectrum. By putting n equal to 8 in each one of the series, we get the wave number of the series limit, that is the last line in the series. The electron jumps here. The electron jumps gives rise to the different series in hydrogen atom shown in figure. We know already discussed from various series. Here all are combined and presented here. This is a energy level diagram for the hydrogen atom. Similarly, we repeated this experimental result for the hydrogen atom. Here different wavelengths observed and different colors also observed with the respective name. Lyman, Paschen, Packen, bracket, P1 series also indicated clearly. So this is the diagram showing the origin of the series spectrum of hydrogen atom. This is a circle diagram energy level. We discussed already different series. Also here also mentioned with respective energy level of the orbit. So here Balmer series, Passion series, Bracket series, P-Fun series, last one Lyman series. Everything here also presented. Last one P-Fun series. This topic over. Thank you. Thank you for your watching. You have any doubts, queries, ask to me with freely. Thank you.